All right, good morning once again. Happy Thursday, January 14th, 2021. Today's schedule, I think I did a little bit better job than yesterday. Always trying to improve. We got morning meeting at 8, and then again, this time period, then this 30 minutes and this 30 minutes is those are going to be work time where you're going to just be put into breakout rooms so you can get work done. If you need to have questions, ask, and then I'm going to be talking to people individually. At some point, we're going to be talking to your groups, but I have to talk to individuals first and then go from there. So this takes time, and I appreciate your patience. Again, using the Google Chat is a quicker way to get to me if you have a problem than other stuff. And then let's see. So that would be, there's a second research project. So there's a video and some things you need to fill out there. So let's take a look at what that is. So if we go to that second research project, so this would be something that you need to add to your tracker. Is this idea of, there's a video that explains what you need to do. There's a link to Britannica School. Now this is important because this is the only resource I'm wanting to see right now. Okay. And then, and it'll be explained in this video. And then there's this personal research project document that needs to at least be started today. And it explains what you need to have finished and therefore today in the video. All right, so that's the second research project kickoff. There's also the math screener towards mastery. Now, some of you did not do the math screener yesterday. I think that's probably because I didn't put the link on Classroom. I just sent it through chat. And so you would need to do that first. Okay, so that would be, I'll put a link there from yesterday. So we have the video review so that you can see how you did. And then the math, Unifor Maths working tracker. And that is explained in this video as well. So this needs to be filled out today. It does not the things do not need to be mastered today. This needs to be filled out today. What else is going on today? You got whole group with Diana. You have your asynchronous for Spanish. Whole group with Jorge today. And then there's a asynchronous science lesson. So if you click on this plants jigsaw, a jigsaw means that you are a group, but you're working individually in little pieces, and then you come back to teach each other. I mean, it's, yeah, never mind. All right, so we have 4 groups. Here are your groups. Read to see who your teammates are. There are 6 different resources. So most groups have 6. There's one group that has 5. If you're in a group of 6, one of you is responsible for each one of these. You have to meet or chat and figure out who is going to do what. And then by this afternoon, after you have looked at or read your information or watched a video, and then written your summary of it, then you're going to meet together this afternoon at 2 o'clock, and you're going to teach each other. And when you teach each other, the people will have a jigsaw note taker. And so what that means is they'll put in your name, what you were responsible for, and what they learned from you. And then tomorrow we have other work to do with this that you'll do individually. So what do you need to have finished today is this summary and this jigsaw note taker. Okay, so that's another, so the unit 4, if you want to break down your classwork tracker to say math video, check. Unit filled out spreadsheet for the mastery standard or the screener working towards mastery, check. Watched my video, check. Wrote my summary, check. Did the jigsaw note taker, check. Like if you want to be very specific, you can. If you want to just have the title of this assignment and do your own thing, that's fine too. Now, you have independent reading. Today would be starting your research project. Okay, so this part, this independent reading, should be your research project. Now, it's going to be a little tricky because in the digital log, it's talking stuff about pages. Make a best estimate. Okay, just estimate. I think that was like 2, 3, 4, 20. Again, when we're reading informational text and we're taking notes, it's going to be a lot less pages. So don't stress about that. Just kind of estimate how many pages you've done. You have IXL, Lexia, and then independent reading home. That fell off. Oh, I'm confused about something. Yeah, it was here. Why didn't that? Oh, okay. Fascinating. All right, well, good to know. Sorry, so yesterday I had this, and maybe I guess I just had it in one place. There's an optional read aloud. Okay, so what does that mean? That means that I'm not going to necessarily do any work with it. Okay, I might do some thinking, maybe, but probably not. I think it's just for reading, for enjoyment. And this can take the place of your at-home reading. Okay, so you can listen to this read aloud if you don't have a book to read or you're just wanting to check this book out to see if you like it. So this is, I had it here yesterday, but I forgot to link it, so blah, blah, blah. Actually, I'm just going to erase it from here. And I'll add it to everybody else's schedule. So there's this optional read aloud. It's called the Saddle Club. It's a series, and then the first book is called Horse Crazy. It's about some kids who love horses. There's big problems. They're 12. They get into fights and stuff. They get friends. It's good stuff. And then if you like this, my wife actually has a ton of these books that I can let you borrow. So let me know. And then I think that's it for today. So this is optional. You do not have to do this. This is just something that I'm reading. We couldn't find the first book, so I bought it, and I've just been reading it and recording it. I'll have to fit that. It's 20 minutes every day. I think that's it. So what are you going to do? Are you following your own schedule? Are you creating your own schedule? If it's the same schedule as before, you do not need to upload anything today. And then again, what do you need to add to your tracker? And then I think that's it. All right. I will see you later. Bye.